That belly fat is laughing at your efforts. Your crunches, your miracle diets, they're useless if you don't attack the root of the problem. Want to know why you're wasting your time? Listen up. Forget about complicated solutions for a moment. There's a hidden code. 7 daily habits that act like the master key to unlock fat burning in your body, almost on autopilot. Today, I'm handing you that key. These are real, science-backed steps that transform your metabolism. And get ready, because habit number 5 is so simple you'll be shocked you've been overlooking it. And just how powerful it is. Ready to unlock that door? Tip number 1. The hidden power of restorative sleep. Yeah, sleeping well is absolutely crucial and often the most underestimated factor when you're trying to actually burn fat. So many people focus only on diet and exercise, ignoring that your body performs vital metabolic functions during sleep. When you don't get enough rest, and for most that sweet spot is between 7 and 9 hours of quality sleep, you sabotage your body's delicate hormonal balance. Specifically, ghrelin, the hormone that screams, "I'm hungry." Component placement spikes, while leptin, the one that tells you, "I'm satisfied," plummets. This hormonal chaos doesn't just make you feel more tired. It directly translates into intense cravings the next day, especially for high-calorie, sugary junk food, and drastically reduces your willpower to make healthy choices. Plus, lack of sleep elevates your cortisol levels, the stress hormone, which is directly linked to fat storage, especially in the belly area. So, prioritizing your rest isn't a luxury, it's a critical active tool. It's when your body repairs tissues, regulates those key hormones, manages stress, and yes, optimizes the processes to burn fat even while you sleep. Make your sleep a strategic priority, not an afterthought. Tip number 2, fuel fat burning, don't store it. Forget the idea of just eating less, think about eating better. The secret is filling your plate with real food, colorful vegetables, fresh fruits, lean proteins like chicken or fish, legumes, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocado or nuts. These foods fill you up, stabilize your blood sugar, and nourish your body to function optimally. The key here is simple. Cut way back on ultra-processed foods, sugary drinks, and those unhealthy fats. They're the parking brake on your metabolism. Release it. Tip number 3, hydration equals active metabolism. Seems obvious, right? Drink water. But dehydration, even mild, slows down your metabolism. What does that mean? You burn fewer calories just existing. Aim to drink water consistently throughout the day. Shoot for around 2 liters or those famous 8 glasses. It helps flush out waste, reduces the bloat that can sometimes make us feel worse, and often that feeling of hunger is actually thirst. A simple gesture, a huge metabolic impact. Tip number 4, the metabolic wake-up call with lemon water. Right when you wake up before you even think about coffee, that's the key moment. A glass of warm water with a splash of fresh squeezed lemon juice, ideally half a lemon. Why is this simple gesture so incredibly effective? Think about it. Your body has been fasting and dehydrating for hours. This first dose of hydration is vital. Warm water, unlike cold, is gentler on your just-waking digestive system, helping to relax and activate the GI tract without a thermal shock. Adding lemon isn't just for flavor, it provides vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, and is thought to stimulate digestive enzymes and bile production, preparing your stomach and liver to handle the food you'll eat later. This combo helps kickstart your metabolism first thing, almost like flipping your body's energy burn switch on. Plus, it aids in flushing out toxins accumulated overnight and primes your system to start tapping into those stored fat reserves for fuel throughout the day. Don't underestimate this little morning ritual. It's a powerful signal to start the day focused on your health and calorie-burning goals. Tip number 5, the green tea secret weapon. Remember that surprising and simple habit I mentioned at the beginning? This is it. Swapping your usual coffee or tea for 3 to 4 cups of green tea throughout the day can make a massive difference. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants, especially catechins, which help your body release stored fat, especially the dangerous visceral fat, and boost your metabolism to burn it off. It's an easy switch that accelerates fat burning and also protects your cellular health. Give it a shot. Hey, if this is clicking for you and you're starting to see things differently, do me a quick favor. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell down below. I share practical tips like this all the time to help you transform your health, and I don't want you to miss out. All right, let's keep going. Tip number 6, the apple cider vinegar edge. Another simple trick, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, look for the raw, unfiltered kind with the mother, diluted in a glass of water, ideally about 15 to 20 minutes before your main meals. Why does it work? Its acetic acid may help reduce fat storage in the body and also help control blood sugar spikes after eating, which translates to fewer cravings and more stable energy. Simple, but it naturally supports your efforts. I know starting and staying consistent can be the hardest part. To make it super easy for you to actually start putting this into practice, I've put together some exclusive free material. It's my gift to you to help kickstart your journey. The link is in the description box below this video. Go grab it. Tip number 7, move smarter, not just harder. Exercise is essential, but forget the idea of killing yourself for hours at the gym if that's not your thing. The real key is consistency and the right combination. Aim for moderate activity most days, like a brisk walk, swimming, biking, for about 30 minutes. And might add in short bursts of higher intensity a couple of times a week, like faster intervals during your walk, or a simple circuit at home. This mix is what truly reprograms your metabolism to burn fat efficiently, improves your hormones, and even boosts your mood. Find activities you enjoy and stay consistent. So there you have it. 7 daily keys to start unlocking the burn on that stubborn fat. See the pattern? These aren't magic formulas or extreme sacrifices. It's about building a smarter, healthier routine, taking small, consistent steps every single day. Every glass of water, every cup of green tea, every mindful meal, every movement, every night of rest. It all adds up and creates unstoppable momentum. This is how you not only lose the weight, but you gain incredible energy, boost your confidence, and build a lifestyle you can actually sustain and, most importantly, enjoy. Now, I want to hear from you. Accountability is huge. Which one of these 7 habits are you going to commit to starting or being more consistent with this week? Tell me in the comments. Seriously, making that declaration is powerful. I'll be reading and cheering you on. And if you want to keep learning how to effectively take care of your body, I highly recommend checking out this video popping up on screen now. It's packed with more practical tips that are sure to help you a lot on your journey to a healthier life. Click it and keep learning. If this video gave you some value or a little bit of hope, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel reach more people who might need this message. Share it with a friend or family member who's also on this journey. Remember, you have the power to change. Start small, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.